For my project in arts, I chose Romeo and Juliet from Renaissance period. I designed the costume of Juliet. Here it is. For the costume design, I chose Juliet from Romeo and Juliet. Her dress is long and elegant, inspired by the Renaissance period. It is color light pink to symbolize love and innocence. The sleeves are slightly puffed and the fabric flows down to the floor to show that she belongs to a noble family. She also wears a simple silver headband to represent her youth and purity. I chose soft colors because Juliet is gentle, kind, and romantic. This design reflects her personality and social status. This shows how costumes helps the audience understand the character better even without speaking.